So in this video, you learn how to connect Google Calendar to Claude AI and use it to check your schedule, find free time, create events, and manage your week. So first, you have to make sure that you have a Google account and your Google Calendar is already there. So from there, just head to Claude AI and on your left side, click Customize and click Connectors. From here, simply click Connect for Google Calendar. So from here, you have to grant access. Now you have to choose an account, sorry. So I'll choose my account. And click Continue. From there, you can select All and click Continue. And authentication is complete. So let's head over to New Chat and let's try Claude AI and see if we have connected it to Google Drive. Google Calendar successfully. So I'll simply type. So let me first refresh and type, what plans do I have for next week, and press enter. So it's working on it. So it's listing the calendar and you can see that it has given me 2 events. So you've got 2 things linked up next week, including my client call as well as basketball tournament, meaning that you have linked our Google Calendar to Claude AI successfully. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.